Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show you where exactly you need to check your Gotv account number. So when you talk of the Gotv account number, it's the same as the IUC number or the smart card number of your decoder. So how you're going to put it to be your account number. For you to get this IUC number or the smart card number, they normally place some stickers at the back of your decoder. A white sticker will be placed over there which have both the serial number and the IUC number of your decoder. That's the same account number that you need to do any kind of registration or sign up, or maybe to activate your decoder. And if you can't find it over there, maybe it has faded off or there is no sticker on your decoder, all you have to do is to pick up your Gotv remote and you press on the green button which is the Gotv logo on your remote. And from the menu here, use the arrow top and down keys and then look from the list, put it on Information Central and you press OK on it. So on this page, first on the list we have the IUC number of your decoder. That's the same as your account number of your Gotv decoder. So that's it. You pick it and then you use it for whatever you need to use it for. If this video has been helpful, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.